Good morning. Casa TexPina day 2, build day 2. Today they should be wrapping up what's needed for the bunkhouse for them to work on or live out of. We should be talking to the engineer and the plumber today regarding where they're going to do the water tap. So I think they're going to come back over to the original side and just do a saddle clamp off of the 1-inch branch, since we apparently, after we talked to the subdivision, they don't actually have a 2-inch main. They have one coming in through to the main complex, to the whole subdivision, but for the individual residences it's all 1-inch branches. I'm not sure where the 2-inch main actually falls back to. So they're going to continue with that today. I already discussed with the engineer yesterday afternoon or evening the differences between, or the discrepancy between the 0.6 and the 0.8 meter floor elevation height. So he said he'll have a discussion with the foreman today, and we'll leave a set of plans on the site so that everybody's informed on the same sheet of music, or building plans as it be. Well, that's it for this morning, so let's get started, and I'll show you things as we go throughout the day. Good morning. While we got a little bit of a lull here, I'm going to explain to you about why we have the name Casa TexPina. Back in the early 90s, there was a country and western singer that still active today, still popular, still watch him actually. Guy's named Neil McCoy. You may not know, he is Phil-Am. He's Filipino American. His dad is from El Paso, Texas, and his mom's from here in the Philippines. So he had the moniker somewhere along the way. He calls himself Texapino. Dad from Texas, mom from being Filipina. So we kind of adopted the same moniker here. We have, I'm from Texas, originally out of Bay City, halfway between Houston and Corpus. And then my wife is from here in the Philippines, originally around Angeles City area, around where Clark Air Base used to be. So putting the two of us together, that's TexPina. So that's where the TexPina comes from. You're seeing Casa TexPina. This is the Phil-Am house, basically, is how it's gonna go. We do keep traditions from both sides of the family, and there's different things that we do that don't belong to either one. So being military, we did have the experience of being able to go around to several different countries, and we've adopted different pieces of culture from here and there that blended into our values and our beliefs. So that's where the Casa TexPina comes from. I'm sure you'll see it as we go through the rest of the thing, because this is the rest of the build, because this is the project. It's Casa TexPina. Alright, so today what they're doing so far is working on laying out the outer edge of the excavation site for the house. So what they're going to be doing is laying out the perimeter of the excavation. So this is where all the footers and foundation walls are going to go, at least the outside edge of it, so they know where to start the excavations. So I'm going to twist this around and show you a little bit and walk it around.
Do you know the technique of the plywood?
No. What you got? Let me know. Tell me. Construction's different everywhere I go, so I'm always learning something.
You're in the Philippines.
I know, but it's different than what it was in the States. It's different than what it was in Japan. It's different than what it was in Korea. I've seen construction all over the world, but everything's a little different. All All right, so what are we doing here with the plywood?
We got the 45 degrees
Ah,
for that.
okay. So it'll just be the 90 down this side.
Yeah, 90, sorry, 90. 90.
And then, so it's got that way it's square.
Yes. And also
Okay. So what you're initially laying out on the outside edge is the outside of the
building
excavation.
from the line is 2.5 meters.
Oh, okay. So it's 2.5 on the inside. So this,
No.
these are basically your batter boards.
No, no. Yeah, only this is the board. This is the building line.
Ah,
So
okay.
this is the 150.
Okay.
Now we have 250 on the property line from here. So now this is the corner of the building. This line.
That'll be the.
Only this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one will move out.
Yep. And then the foyer or the entrance will move out from there. Well, we've officially broken ground today. You see they've started digging the exterior walls. So this is just the basic exterior wall, the outside edge of the buildings. You had questions?
Yeah.
Like what?
So this is a wall to them, the line that.
Yeah, where they have the lines here, these are going to be some of the interior walls. No, this line here is for one of the interior walls, like the back of the staircase.
Oh, okay.
How's the latrine?
Ang lagyo ko kasi.
Pablo.
Pablo. Akin yung banyo yan. Wala mo malambot din gabunan eh.
Sa una po ano?
Matigas. Tapos ngayon malambot, no? Oh.
Pero mabuto pa rin po.
Oh yeah, wow. Okay, yeah, meron pa rin bato.
Pero malalagay po.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of rocks. That's the basic layout. Well, it is yabba dabba do time, and the workers are on their way out. Today's been a busy day. You can see here they've started doing some of the excavations on the foundation walls. Lots of lots of orange string laid everywhere. These are not all of the walls, but these are some of the more predominant ones that are going to be laid out. So the guys have been busy today. The foreman did tell me that they're going to bring additional people on tomorrow, so we should have a total of about 10 laborers in addition to the foreman. So we may have most of the exterior foundation wall, at least the layout of it, completed tomorrow. They're also going to be doing the water connection tomorrow. We were able to talk to the subdivision, and we got a 2-hour window where they're going to cut off the water, and we're going to put in the water connection here on this side of the monument, so that it's on the outside of our perimeter wall. So that'll be tomorrow between 9 and 11, and then excavation of the foundation walls. The one guy is still working diligently on the latrine next to the bunkhouse. They said they're gonna finish digging this out tomorrow, and then put CHB, they call it here, concrete hollow block, or we call it CMU block, around the outside edge, put a cap over the top, and use that for put a hole on it for a latrine. Most likely going to have a just a basic toilet on the top. This is what I've seen at most other places. We'll wait and see how we go here. That's a wrap for today. Another beautiful day on Casa TexPina. Wrap up of day 2. We officially broke ground today. So we had some of the excavation of the exterior walls, which I showed, and then continuing to dig out the latrine hole, and they'll work on that some more tomorrow. Again, they will have additional laborers on site tomorrow, so the excavation of the foundation walls will continue, hopefully a little faster, and we'll see how things go. So until tomorrow, if you liked what we showed you today, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the little Casa TexPina star down in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll be subscribed. Hit the little bell icon to be notified when we upload our next videos. Thanks. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when our next video becomes available.